Hi, my name's Jerry Gallegos, and this is my session five final assignment. Um, and so I'm going to talk about some of the successes and challenges throughout this course for me and for this last assignment. So basically, with the social media, I post a lot, or I posted a lot previously before doing this course on my Facebook, my Instagram, LinkedIn, and everything. But after taking this course, it really taught me the importance of what I was actually posting, the quality of my posts, the words that I would choose to use, and which people, if I was going to offend someone, but just I guess just the little details of what goes into a social media post kind of reached out at me and kind of made me realize, okay, like everyone in the world sees this, and so I need to be more intentional with what I'm putting out there for everyone to see. And with that, I decided to do my final project on transparency and openness because I thought that tied in with um, our biblical worldview very well, but also too with social media and with how much that we can access and with transparency and openness, we have access to pretty much everything. And so because of that, everyone else has access to it as well. So being intentional and maintaining that level of integrity with our social media posts, whether we're posting out of emotion or if we're posting facts or if we're arguing with someone, I mean, all those details really reflect and show who we are. And as Christ followers, um, I mean, Jesus was an extremely open person, obviously. He never directed his teachings or he never went out of his way to heal anyone or one particular person. He was open with everyone that he was with. And so, trying to relay that to the social media world and the different social media platforms, um, I think it's important to reach out to as many people as we can on social media, not avoid certain arguments or opinions, but address them with love. And if we disagree, there's a very respectful way to go about it. And I think through that, I think people will see the transparency that God talks about, that He wants people to see when they look at us that we are different, and that when they look through us that they see God. And so as long as that transparency is never abused, then it can be used for its naturally intended purpose, which is to glorify God. But overall, with social media, it definitely taught me to be more intentional. It taught me a lot of facts on the users, the who is making the pages. I mean, just all the little things that go into that, and the importance of a voice that we all have when sometimes we may not think we might not have a big voice, but the reality is we do because everyone can see it. So even if someone doesn't comment or post on it, they definitely see it. So really enjoyed this course, really enjoyed this last project as well. But those were some of the things that I had learned, and those were some of the challenges that I had faced while going through this course.